Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Reidiffmail account. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open any web browser and soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in rediff.com and press the enter on your keyboard. From the official website of rediff.com, go and click on the sign in button at the upper right corner if you already have an account. If not, you can click on create a new account and register yourself first. Once you have an account, you'll need to enter your username and your password to log in. Type in your username in the text box and move on to the next field and type in the password for your account. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password link and follow the instruction in order to reset to a new password. Finally, click on Sign In. And there you go. That is how you can easily log into Reidiffmail account. That was all for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.